All right, you two, take it easy. And let's maybe read the book next time, Sharon. Kidding. I wonder if they knew, if they felt my fear, that dread. It's all I can think about. And now I have to deal with the consequences. This cheese has literally never come off in the dishwasher. And all this burnt grease and stuff. No, man. Yikes. Cascade Platinum Plus, new and improved formula. Come on now, Cascade. Let's not turn book club into Kenan cleaning all night club. If this new formula works, I won't make fun of Sharon anymore. What in the what now? Let's go, Cascade. Sharon, it's Kenan. Hey, why do we only do book club once a month? There's nothing holding me back. I'm a cooking machine. You free tomorrow? Actually, how about tonight? Well, yeah, of course I finished reading the book. There is a time for many words, but there's also a time for sleep. What?